Hello my friends, my subscribers, my future subscribers. Today I would like to introduce some knives. It's a very fine design, good steel, stainless steel knives. Company, it's called ODENWOLF. Website is www.odenwolf.us. You will see in the description below all information. So if you would like to buy it, here's a 10% off. You can use a promo code SOLO10 to get your 10% off from your knife. So here's a 3 different set of knife. Let me remove from the boxes. Packages are just fine with labels and with nice labels. So to unbox it, they have 3 different sets. It came with cards. And of course, every card is 10% off for future buying. Also, you can take a photo and do contest on Instagram. Let me unpack it and I will show you close look. Here's a microcloth for polishing. Again, more cards, more coupons. More microcloth. So, as you can see, they're all different sets. This one came with belt holder, 2 of them, even with belt, but this one is the cheapest one, more expensive, no more expensive, but it's not expensive as you think. I think like from $30 something to $40 something, most expensive. Okay, let me show you a close look. Now it's close view. All knife came with tactical knife sheaths. This one has black blade. This one white blade. And this one white blade but green handle and green color set. Alright, let me explain you each separate what's made of. They all made... Oh! Now you come to me. Okay, you wanna see the movie? Now, oh, okay. You made a mess and ran away. Alright, so let me start over. My cat, he doesn't like when I talk on a phone or camera. Alright, so about those knives, about those steel. It's a 4040C stainless steel. It's a high carbon steel, high chromium steel that contains the following elements like carbon up to 1.2%. That's a very very tough blade made of chromium, almost 18%. So hardness, it's on a Rockwell scale 60. If you're going to take a closer look on this one, I'm not sure if you can see couple dots. It's what I tested at my work, and it is 60 HRC. Narwhal, very hard steel. So I didn't cut it and check for microstructure, but I'm sure here's a martensitic microstructure if you guys know something about metallurgy. So it's a very tough material. Next, handle made of, it's called TPE, thermoplastic elastomer, whatever is pronunciation. It's a soft rubbery plastic material and impressed above all, which is good ergonomic properties. So you can see every knife impress and good grip, gives you good grip. And not to confuse you, because this knife I made it special for myself, and it's a solo camping. I engraved at my work. So it didn't come like this, but of course you can order your set, customize set with engraving, whatever you want to engrave. Alright, so next, to finish about handles. Its fine structure also ensures comfortable, safe handling. It's a very nice grit. Very nice handling. And of course you have a full loop for your, you can tighten it down to whatever you want. All those knives comes with a tactical knife steels made of polypropylene. Propylene. It's hard to pronounce. And thanks to the belt loop, the knife can be worn handled on the belt, like this, for example. It's not necessarily for this one, but you have idea for how to handle the belt. Fastening loop with press stud provides additional grip on the handle, and again it's all blade made from 420 and 440C steel, is very resistant to corrosion and can be also be sharpened excellently. It's easy to sharp, and sharp will stay forever, because not forever, but it's for long time, because it's a very hard martensitic steel. Fixed full tank knife with robust quenched stainless steel blades, what I mentioned before. Perfect grip. Thanks for the structure handle. Design made of TPE, as I mentioned before. It's hard to pronounce, but it's a thermoplastic elastomer, whatever. So those knives great for outdoor trips and normal everyday use. For me, especially for camping, for hunting, and just walking in the forest. You don't know what's gonna happen. So this one, most expensive, it's in green color. And it came with PPE sheets, Teclon belt loop. Here's another piece belt loop, extra one. Oops. Plug lock, fire starter, and mini white stone. It could be sharpened in case you just something did bad and you have to sharpen right in your trip. You have it. Anyway, all those fine knives for sale. You can order your set. You can even customize. Mine is customized. Solo camping from both sides. Nice grip again. And of course you can order a black blade. It looks cool. Alright guys, so if you like it, all information below in description, so you can order your set. Thanks for watching.